There are already main meal types existing in the Goodwin system. These are the main meal types. We do not recommend you to create a new meal type in the Goodwin database unless it's completely necessary. In most cases, it is enough just to change meal name and do not create a new meal type. For example, there is all-inclusive meal type, and in the hotel it is called specially, like Diamond all-inclusive. Instead of creating a new meal type, all you need is just change its name. After you save and update contract version, if you go to website and search for this hotel, you can see system meal types in filtration block. And if you filter by all-inclusive, here in the hotel area, you can see the meal name that you entered in hotel contract. And in case you add this meal as new meal type in database, then it will appear here in the filtration block. And it can be really confusing for agents if there are too much different meal plans that are basically the same meal type, like all-inclusive, but all have different names. So agent will not be able to just filter by all-inclusive and get all the results. They will have to pick all the all-inclusive meal names if these meals are created in the system as meal types. So once again, meal types, system meal types appear here in the meal filtration block. And meal names that you enter in the hotel contract in name field, it appears near hotel area. And also, if you search particular hotel, it will appear on the hotel page. In case you absolutely need to create a new meal type, you can do it in meal section, in directory. You can also access it using this menu. Here you can see the list of all meal plans. To create a new one, press Add button. Here you indicate its title, for example, Half Board Plus. You select meal code. These ones you cannot change. they are used only in external integrations. In your Goodwin account, they are not used anywhere. But please try to fit the new meal type with existing meal code. Press is public checkmark if you want your meal appear online. Also, you can enter meal plan description. It is also public. Like this. And press Save. By going back to the list, you can see new meal type created. Now you can select it in hotel contract. As you can see, in the meal plan list, it appears after room only. The order of meal plans appearing in the list is defined by their level. In meal plan we created, we didn't put any level, so in the list it would appear right at the top. For example, if we go and change level, let's say we put 3, now you can see that it changed its location in the list. So, meal plan level affects its appearance in the meal plan list. The lesser the level is, the higher in the list meal plan will appear. As you can see, it starts with room only, then goes bed and breakfast, then half board, and so on. And if you look at the meal plan list in the directory, you can see that room only has 0 level, bed and breakfast has 2nd level, half board has 3rd level. Levels also affect this list of meal plans online, how they appear, from the lower to the higher level. And the descriptions that we entered appears here in the brackets or here in the hotel area. This is all you need to know about meals management. Thank you for attention.